Hi, my name is Louis Flory. I'm the President and CEO of effex Management Solutions. effex is a large volume contingent labor force management company. I know it's a mouthful, but basically we partner with clients that have, most of them are in the manufacturing or distribution business, and they have a need for a very large labor force, usually at least 150 or more employees, typically in their direct labor sector of their business, a lot of hourly workers, entry-level, medium-skilled employees working on the manufacturing floor or working in their distribution centers. What we do is we recruit, train, and onboard that labor force for our clients, and we provide management across all shifts so that we get our clients out of the people business. We take control of all the employee relations issues to maximize daily attendance, maximize retention of good quality employees, and to minimize labor spend and maximize our clients' cost per unit to get their product out the door on time and with good quality. We've been partnered with Generis. This is our second summit to partner with them. Out of all the years, been doing this for 25 years. So 25 years of attending different trade shows, conferences, summits, and things like that. This has by far been the best format and opportunity, and structure, I should say, that we've ever worked with. Generis does a tremendous job of kind of honestly taking the awkwardness out of these types of trade shows and summits where, typically you have a booth, and as people are walking by, you're trying to hawk people to get them over to your booth, and you're nagging them, and that doesn't feel good. It's weird and awkward, and they don't like it either. And in this situation, Generis is, which I think is a brilliant structure to how they do this, they match us up with potential customers we would love to have discussions with, and it matches up those companies that would be interested in utilizing our services and like to know more about our company. So it's a match. Both parties are happy to have that conversation. So much more productivity comes out of that without any of the weirdness or awkwardness or the sleazy sales guy trying to chase someone down as they're walking by the booth and the person can't scurry away quick enough. No one likes that. No one likes any side of that. The Generis structure is fantastic. The staff has been fantastic too. From working with us to prepare and maximize the opportunities here, getting marketing material of our company, getting that out to the people that are coming to visit the summit as well, to help get our company name out there, make more awareness of our organization and what services and value we try to bring to our clients, and then helping us understand who's going to be here. In fact, we've had team members of Generis even ask us, hey, of the companies that you're trying to get in touch with that are not currently showing up or scheduled to come to our event, give us a list of that. We'll reach out to them and send them a special invitation, see if we can get them to join and attend the Generis event on your behalf. So it's been a fantastic partnership. We love the structure, and the results, quite honestly, speak for themselves. There are, in today's day and age of technology, cell phones, people are able to work very mobile. It's not like the old days of even 15 years ago where everyone was still working at their desk and they answered their desk phone. That never happens anymore. So business-to-business sales is much more difficult. It's much more difficult to get in touch with the stakeholders and the actual decision makers that they're going to decide the partnerships that we're looking to expand and grow. And this event gives us that opportunity to get in front of those people, and they've also shared their interest in us as well. And like I said, the results speak for themselves. We're walking away on average with 7 to 10 follow-up meetings because we've met with people that we want to speak with, they want to speak with us, the interests were combined, they saw the value in what we do, our value proposition and the value add that we bring, and we've all agreed to move conversations forward and hopefully create new partnerships. So we could not be happier with the structure and the team and the support of Generis. It's been a wonderful experience.